Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is The Rule of the Road, written by A.G. Gardner. A.G. Gardner is one of the most popular essayists of 20th century. He wrote his essays under the pseudonym Alpha of the Polar. He has served as editor of the liberal paper Daily News for many years. His essays are uniformly elegant, graceful, and humorous. His uniqueness lay in his ability to teach the basic truths of life in an easy and amusing manner. The pillows of society, pebbles on the shore, many furrows and leaves in the wind are one of his best known writings. The present extract is from Leaves in the Wind, which he has written in 1918. So this essay, The Rule of the Road, A.G. Gardner tells us the true meaning of liberty. He makes us understand what liberty is and how we should treat liberty. He highlights through this essay that liberty is not a personal affair, but it is a social contact. It is adjustment of interests. Let us begin the essay. It is page number 142 of your textbook. A stout old lady was walking with her basket down the middle of a street in Petrograd, to the great confusion of the traffic and with no small peril to herself. A.G. Gardner begins his essay. He opens the essay with a description of an old lady. Old lady but strong. He makes us understand that how sometimes some individuals misuse individual rights and create problems for others who live with us in the society. By giving the example of a strong old lady. Stout means strong. A strong old lady was walking with her basket down the middle of a street in Petrograd. Petrograd is a city in Russia. Russia was not a monarchy then. It had acquired liberty. It was a free country. The citizens were free. So the old lady was walking, strong old lady, she was walking with her basket in the middle of a street, in the middle of the road of a street in Petrograd, to the great confusion of the traffic. Traffic was confused on seeing the behavior and attitude of the old lady at one hand, and with no small peril to herself. Peril means great risk and danger to herself. At one hand, the traffic was confused and disturbed on seeing a lonely lady walking in the middle of the street, and on the other hand, the old lady was also having danger, as there were 70% chances that she could get trampled and crushed by the speedy vehicles. It was pointed out to her that the payment was priced for foot passengers. She was directed, she was advised, she was told, point out means told, talked. She was told by the traffic police, by the people there, that payment was placed for foot passengers. That the foot passengers, that those people who are walking, they should use pavement. They should not walk in the middle of the road. Foot passengers should use pavement, that means footpaths. They should walk, they should walk on the sides of the road instead of in the middle of the road for their safety, because pavements are only meant for the foot passengers. She was advised by the people there and traffic police. But she replied, instead of following the directions of traffic police, she replied back, I am going to walk where I like. We have got liberty now. Instead of following the directions of traffic police and other spectators there, she argued and replied back that she is at liberty. She can walk wherever she likes, because we have got liberty now. Russia is now a free country. Russia has acquired freedom. Individuals are free. It did not occur to the dear old lady that if liberty entitled the foot passengers to walk down the middle of the road, it also entitled the cab drivers to drive on the pavement, and that the end of such liberty would be universal chaos. A.G. Gardner feels sorry for the lady. She says that perhaps the old lady had misunderstood the true meaning of liberty. Personal liberty, 70% personal liberty. Though in a free country we are entitled freedom, but our freedom is limited. Our freedom is having some limiters. The old lady had misinterpreted the concept of freedom. She couldn't understand that if foot passengers are entitled, have right to walk in the middle of the road, then cab drivers too have the right to drive on the pavement. And end of that liberty would be universal chaos. Universal means here everywhere. Chaos means confusion. Dishonest. Everybody would be getting in everybody else's way. If we take interpretation of liberty, meaning of liberty, as is taken by old lady into consideration, that what would happen? Everybody would get in the way of others, and as a result, nobody would go anywhere. And such individual liberty would have become social anarchy, and in such a way, individual liberty would have become social anarchy. Social anarchy means disorder and confusion in society. person must have some limits on his freedom in order to enjoy the freedom that comes from social order. Thanks. Stay blessed.